Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. Today, this is our English class online again. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Last week, we learned about the different foods and we answered the question, what is your favorite food? Do you remember? Okay, let's review. What is your favorite food? So in answering this, then you must look at here. Your is answerable with my. And then just copy this one. Favorite food is. And then you will say the word. So I will show you the picture and then you can answer the question. Okay, do you still remember? Okay, let's start. What is your favorite food? Okay, look at the picture. Okay, so that is a noodles. Okay, so my favorite food is noodles. Number two, what is your favorite food? Okay, my favorite food is pizza. Very good. Number three, what is your favorite food? Okay, this is French fries. So the answer is, my favorite food is French fries. Very good. Okay, let's have more as we have studied last week. What is your favorite food? Wow, this is hamburger. So your answer is, my favorite food is hamburger. Very good. Number five, what is your favorite food? This is hot dog. Okay, so the answer is, my favorite food is hot dog. Very good. Now, how about number six? What is your favorite food? Okay, fried chicken. Okay, so the answer is, my favorite food is fried chicken. Very good. Okay, now today we will learn about drinks. So in order for us to answer the question, we need to identify what are those drinks. This is iced tea. How about this one? What is this? Lemonade. Okay, lemonade. How about this one? Orange juice. Very good. How about this one? This is a ginger. Ginger tea. Very good. How about this one? Mango. Okay, mango juice. Good. What is one? Soya milk. Okay, soya milk. So those are the drinks. Now, let's learn how to answer this question. What drinks do you like? So if you like the drinks, then you just answer, I like. Okay, I will give you an example for this. What drinks do you like? So to answer this question, you must look at the picture and identify. So I will give you the picture here. Okay, look at the picture and identify. So this is milk. So to answer this question, what drinks do you like? So your answer is, you is answerable with what? Okay, what is the answer? You is answerable with I. And then just copy this one, like. And then you have there, milk. Okay, I like milk. So if you ask, what drinks do you like? I like milk. Okay? Okay. I know you get it. Now let's start. What drinks do you like? I like iced tea. Very good. What drinks do you like? I like lemonade. Very good. What drinks do you like? I like orange juice. That's great. Okay, now I will be asking you and I will not answer. You will be the one to answer, okay? Okay. What drinks do you like? Okay, that's great. Number 2. What drinks do you like? Okay, amazing. That's great. Number 3. What drinks do you like? Very good. Okay, now let's have more. What drinks do you like? I like ginger tea. What drinks do you like? I like mango juice. Very good. What drinks do you like? I like soya milk. Very good. Okay, now I will be asking you a question and then you just answer, okay? I will not give you the answer. You are the one to answer. What drinks do you like? Okay, good. What drinks do you like? Excellent. Number 6. What drinks do you like? Amazing. Okay, so I hope that you learned from our lesson today. So thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Goodbye.